Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then enter display section, and then go to the wallpaper. Then you tap wallpapers. Here you can select one of the preset wallpapers in the different themes, but you can also put your own image as a wallpaper by tapping my photos, then selecting this image, and then you tap here set wallpaper. Then you select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both, and that's it. Wallpaper set successfully. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.